Damn, Danielle.
Who you a fool
Back at it again with another video.
Oh Lord, Jetson made another one.
You trying to be quiet? So this is the kitchen. Mimi's helping. She putting clothes away. And I think there's another light for the kitchen if I'm not mistaken. Because that has a light right there. Oh. Okay, it's down to turn it on. Okay, it's down to turn that light on.
Big ass fucking eye.
So this is the kitchen. So in my other apartment, I had more cabinet space. So I'm gonna have
to. 40 space too, though.
Yeah,
this is big.
it is. So I'm gonna have to downsize like my dishes and stuff. But the kitchen is huge. Like it's a lot of space in the kitchen.
You got a lot of space in the damn living room.
I have a full island now, y'all. Like my old apartment, you couldn't really put bar stools up under there. Like if you put bar stools, you'll be like sitting out. Like the
And you can have multiple.
Yeah, I already know which ones I'm getting. The living room is huge, and I like the fact that there's no carpet in the living room. I'm gonna have to mop more, but I rather mop more.
It's easier to mop.
I rather mop more, and the only reason why is because I also do braids, and I braid hair.
Yeah, it won't be.
And I ain't gotta, all that hair, but yeah.
Feel like she overdoing her job.
Right, I'm not gonna show y'all the balcony because that's, I ain't gonna show y'all. This is I don't wanna show them where I stay at. Even though you don't see much, I still don't wanna show them. Yeah, the sink is spacious. Oh, and this comes out. This comes down. Yeah. So this is the bedroom. It's pretty spacious. I don't know if y'all noticed, but in my apartment now, I don't have a TV. I have a projector, and they have like this bread thing like sitting here. That's gonna kind of like block out my projector, but we're gonna fix it. Also, the ceilings are a little lower because I can touch this, and in my old apartment, I would have to stand on the bed to touch that. So this is like the closet. Huge, y'all. Lots of space. They already started hanging up stuff. I got these little zip tie things. They're like Velcro zip ties, and I use them to basically tie up my hangers and clothes. So it would be easy to transport. I got all my stuff like that. But the closet is huge. And this is the bedroom. Sorry, the bathroom. The bathroom is also pretty huge. It's a lot of space. My other bathroom also had a lot of space, but the only thing with this one is there is like no towel rack, so I have to buy a towel rack to put my towels on. But other than that, I have drawers and stuff. I have no drawers in my other apartment, so yeah. The tub is spacious, y'all. I just got in there. My legs can fit in there. Sean, get in the tub. I love a good bath. This tub have like shelving units, but knowing me, I'm probably still gonna add some more. I'm definitely changing out that shower head. It got to go. It got to go. But I like how this is round. I like that. So that is the bathroom, and it has like this. So it's like a separate thing for the fan. This turn like the lights off and on, and this one turns it on like above that area. So if you just only want those lights on, you can do that. But I'm changing those lights because those lights are yellow. There's nothing I can do about this light, but in the bedroom, definitely changing those lights out too. I like this fixture above the island. Love that. This is the second bedroom, and this is gonna be like my office and other things too. This one has an open closet, so you could just have an open closet, I guess. This is the bathroom, which, you know, leads to that room, but I'm so used to there being like a switch right here, like it is in my old apartment, but I had to get used to that. But there is no switch, it's just a button to turn on the lights. And of course, gonna change those yellow lights out. This bathroom is spacious. They honestly could have did a his and her sink in here. That's how big it is, because they just got this. You see how big this outlet, this sink is for that one little sink?
I thought it was the fucking master.
I did thought you thought it was the master too, didn't you? When I first bought in here, I thought it was the master because, yeah. But they have a lot of cabinet space for anything. I can just keep a lot of stuff in here. I'm gonna get a towel rack in here to go like in that empty space. The bathtub in here is also huge, and this is the laundry room, which is in this bathroom. It's a stackable, which my laundry room, my wash and dryer can become a stackable, so that's good. But yeah, look at me hard at work. But yes, y'all, we gotta finish bringing in the stuff, and then I think that's just something that somebody's left. So let's go start bringing in stuff.
Y'all don't judge me. My finger kind of fucked up, so I'm doing the best that I can. And I'm trying not to sweat my silk.
My bad. Hello? Huh?
I'm waiting on you.
Oh, I thought you was we're coming. I'm coming.
Okay, let me see.
I heard Trace out there at the grocery store.
We on the way, Mookie.
Look, that damn person about bigger than shit. I said, we on the way, Mookie. Oh, shit. I'm trying to get my work in there, baby. Yeah, that's a step master right there. Yeah. Shit. I think I know one of these right here. Just hanging on. I think I put that in the right order.
Let me see. Will you put it right there? Yeah, they go right there.
Okay. See? That's when we try to get all the small stuff out so you ain't got too much to do.
Right. Okay, y'all. So like I was saying, these little things come in handy. I'm gonna put these on my Instagram, Amazon storefront, because that's where I got them from. This one must have came off, but I just put them on there, and
You don't even wear this.
I wore it once. My clothes are color coordinated, so this was perfect to put them like that. Put those little things on there. All I do is just hang them up there. Hey y'all, so it's been a couple of days since y'all last saw me, and I think the last thing y'all saw was me like showing y'all the apartment. So I'm completely moved in now, like everything is here, but it is a mess. And I just realized that my skin does not like moving. Like my skin hates me so bad. It's just like they didn't agree with this moving process, but we're here. We're here. So yeah, like I said, my apartment is a mess, y'all. I didn't unpack anything. Let me show y'all. So like, this is my bathroom. Like, child, the closet. I got stuff like everywhere. Ugh, Lord. The bed is up. The bed is up. The projector is up. Still hate that because, yeah, I got to figure out how I'm going to do that. I'm getting a new living room set, so I don't have a living room set as of now. I found out the one I want, but they're not in stock right now, so that sucks. That bathroom's a mess. Y'all, the kitchen. So I haven't got my kitchen in order because one, I don't have a pantry. I'm gonna turn that coat closet into a pantry, so I have somebody coming to do that. And then two, these shelves are like super uneven because this piece right here is like stopping it from like moving this shelf up a little bit, because if I did, I can put some glasses right here, which is the ones that's sitting in this counter and in this box. So I'm gonna have somebody come and just like see if I can get like this much of this like cut off so I can move this board right here. And then once I get that in order, my kitchen will be in order. And yeah, that room's a mess too, so. But like I said, we're here. I love the natural sunlight this place gives. Like, that was like my #1 thing, because my old place does not give any natural sunlight because of where my apartment was placed. So I did not get any natural sunlight. But here we got all the sunlight, y'all. All the sunlight. Like, I love that. But I have to get ready, finish getting ready, because I'm on the way to my niece's graduation. I think that's my mom calling now. So I will just talk to you guys later. Okay, y'all, so we getting somewhere. Sean is over here. Sean is about to graduate, y'all, on Friday. So that girl is officially gonna be done with high school. But we're getting somewhere. We almost got the kitchen island cleared off. It's just a couple of things left on the island, stuff that we can get rid of. Broke down the boxes, like the floor is clear now in here. And again, I have to get the person to come and fix that so I can put my glasses up, like fix that.
Do I need some more than that? What's missing?
Is that something missing? Yeah. Okay, 1 second. Like, y'all just see this natural lighting. Well, this is not even natural lighting. This is just new lighting from just the lights around the kitchen. Love it. Anyways, so y'all see my little fake pantry for now until the guy comes and build a pantry. So what he's gonna do is, I'm gonna keep that shelf, and it's gonna be another shelf right there, another one right there. So 3 shelves right there. And then right here is gonna be a split down. And then it's gonna be more shelves right there. And the split down is gonna be because they put like the internet box in here. And that split is gonna basically be so I can open this internet box. And then at the same time, the broom and stuff is gonna go like right there in that area. So yeah, you gotta basically make do what you make do with. I got to put up the not the cabinets, the curtains that go in the living room, the curtains that go in my bedroom. And then I have to measure this wall because, y'all, this red thing bothers me so much. I'm gonna get like a projector screen that like pulls down or just comes down by itself to come in front of that, so that like I can be able to watch my projector, because that's gonna bother me so much. I think the next thing that we're gonna do is going to be to tackle the bedroom. The lights, hold on, y'all. The next thing we're gonna do is tackle the bedroom in my master bedroom. I need to change out the lights in here because they're yellow and I don't like that. And then, y'all, we got the oh, I thought we cracked my mirror in here. Whew, Lord. This mirror is not gonna stay in this bathroom. I'm gonna change that mirror out. But we have the washer and dryer up. So this is how it looks stacked. And then, like I said, I can control my dryer from my washing machine by just pressing the dryer button, and then it's gonna automatically turn on the dryer without having to reach up there. And it's basically like I can reach it, but my Sean, she can't reach it, so that's gonna be good for her when she needs to wash clothes and whatever. But I'm doing laundry. It smells really good in there, and it's really good, Sean. It's better now. So I'm gonna cook Sean some food, and then I'm gonna try to tackle a little bit of this stuff in like these clothes and stuff tonight. Yeah.